Welcome back to another awesome flip. Found this nightstand on Marketplace. It's the matching nightstand to this dresser, which I've already flipped. So here's what that one looked like. Let's label these drawers and make sure they go in the correct order. And also we're going to remove the hardware off of here also. Always vacuum the loose dirt first. Always. I don't know what this is, what they had on here, but it was on here really tight. I couldn't get it off, so I used my heat gun to get it off. Once I got it off, it left a sticky residue on there, so I had to use some acetone on here just to get that adhesive off. It was really strong. To clean this, I'm gonna use some Simple Green diluted with water, and I'm gonna spray it down, and after I spray it down, I'm gonna give it a good old scrub. I wanted to sand this down to the bare wood so I can stain it to be the exact same color of the dresser that I previously did. Let's give this a good old-fashioned scuff sand so the paint will have no problem sticking to the surface, because you don't want it to peel. Make sure you tape off the parts you don't want paint on.
Now, give me my theme music.
Now we're ready for priming. I messed around and bought this spray can that does a wide spray. I won't do that again. So now it's time to use a surface stripper to get the top coat off. I let it sit for 15 minutes, covered it with this plastic. I don't know what this plastic was, but I used it. I scraped it off as much as I can, and you have to do it really fast or it'll dry out like it did this time. So it was really hard. So this is my second attempt at getting it off, and I did pretty good on the second attempt, and I got the job done. And then I sanded it down. Off camera, I did some repairs to some scratches and dings on here, and also the hardware hose, I did some repairs to those too. After those repairs, it's time to put on the second coat of primer. Here's my favorite part, the painting part. I love doing this part. It's kind of satisfying. There's no special kind of black that I use. I just asked for black at Home Depot in an eggshell type of surface. Right here, I needed to put on some new edge banding because I sanded it down to the bare wood. It needed new edge banding because under there was MDF, and MDF doesn't stain well. I know it's kind of dark, y'all, but after I get off of work, I have to make do with as much lighting as I can get and get as much work done as I can get. So I was kind of burning the midnight oil on here. So please excuse the darkness of this whole staining process. on this top drawer that I wanted to leave the stain color. I wanted to paint the trim black around the top and the bottom of it. And these are the same knobs and hardware I used on the other dresser I flipped. Here's what it looked like before. And now this is what it looks like after I'm done with it. See how it matches that other one? I think I did a good job. Thank y'all for stopping by.